Hello, my name is Sky from Crewe Motor Match, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Now in stock we have this Nissan Qashqai MHEV coming in the unique Premiere Edition XTRON, giving you a more advanced spec list. This Nissan has a 1.3 litre DIGT engine, low mileage and full main dealership service history. It comes in a stunning light grey colour which is enhanced by the privacy glass that not only adds to the looks of the cars but also the security. We also have the roof rails, the window surrounds and the grille with surround. This car benefits from a number of intelligent safety assist systems, including intelligent auto LED headlights, blind spot intervention, cruise control, driver alertness, forward collision warning, front emergency braking with pedestrian recognition, and cyclist recognition and junction assist. Intelligent key, lane intervention and rear automatic braking. Making the exterior even funkier alongside the headlights, we have the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. To the rear of the car we have this extremely spacious boot, perfect for shopping or luggage. That also holds a variable boot floor, perfect for if you have shopping that you don't want to roll around. Moving on to the interior of the car, in the back we have 3 full-size seats with a pull-down armrest in the middle with built-in cup holders and ISOFIX points on the outside seats. We also have USB ports in the back. When moving on to the interior, you are greeted by the funky black cloth upholstery with light contrast stitching, as well as the fixed panoramic roof brightening up the cabin of the car and getting you ready for the summer months ahead of us. The seats are also manually adjustable for additional comfort. On the dash we have this very soft leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is also multi-function, helping you safely and easily control the 12-inch TFT configurable screen that replaces the dialogue clocks. This gives you everything you need for long or short journeys right in your peripheral, helping to improve the safety of every journey. Also helping to improve the safety of every journey, we have the upgraded head-up display. Moving on to the centre of the dash, for all your entertainment needs, we have the 9-inch touchscreen. This features the likes of DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can always listen to your favourite playlist. We also have Nissan Connect navigation for all those unknown roads, and the amazing 360 camera helping you get out of all those sticky parking situations. Just below we have the dual climate control functions, helping to improve the comfort of both you and your front seat passenger. Adding ease to every drive, we have the stop start go button, as well as the wireless phone charger. RAC warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.